Hidden tax write-offs for small businesses. For the small business owner, tax season can be stressful, and the prospect of shelling out a load of money to the government is not a pleasant one. That's why a small business owner's tax deductions are crucial. Here are 5 tax benefits that are often overlooked by small business owners that can save your business money. Welcome to another episode of Plentii. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Click the link below to schedule a free 30-minute financial consultation with Plentii to answer any bookkeeping, accounting, and tax planning questions. Number 1. Write-off lunch meetings. If you often have working lunches, you might be able to deduct 50% of meal expenses. If you meet with partners, employees, or business contacts, consider meeting over lunch. As long as the dining expenses are reasonable, you are allowed to deduct 50% of meal costs when eating with business partners and employees while conducting business operations. So if you buy lunch every day and spend around $8, you can deduct $4. If you do the math, that amounts to over $1,000 a year in claimable deductions. Number 2. Use your cell phone and the internet for business. When using the phone and internet to run your business, you can deduct these expenses. However, if you use the phone and internet for a mix of work and personal reasons, you can only write off the percentage of the cost that goes toward your business use. Number 3. Deduct your healthcare premiums. If you have an individual health plan, not a group plan, and pay your healthcare premiums out of pocket without tax breaks or subsidies, you may be able to claim those premiums as an income tax deduction if you are a sole proprietor, a partner in a partnership or an LLC, or a shareholder in an S corporation who owns more than 2% of company stock. Let's say you are a sole proprietor and your business and personal income totaled $60,000 for the year. Your state and federal income tax obligations are around 30%. If you spent $10,000 a year on health insurance premiums for you and your family, you can deduct that cost. Your taxable income will be $50,000 instead of $60,000, saving you about $3,000 in total income tax payments. Number 4. Plan your big expenditures. Depending on your taxable income, your tax bracket can vary significantly. If your company is a limited liability company (LLC), that means that you pay taxes on your share of the profits. Several weeks away from the end of the business year, you check your taxable income and find that it is about $100,000 so far, at the 24% tax bracket for 2023. If you purchase new equipment with an estimated cost of $20,000, it will reduce your taxable income and most likely your tax bracket to 22%. If you schedule high-end purchases wisely, you can maximize your deductions and save money every year. Number 5. Deduct your travel costs. Many business owners rack up points on their travel miles card so that they can save later on by using the miles for business flights. This is a mistake. Business travel costs are fully deductible as a business expense. Personal travel costs are not. The wiser cost is to save the frequent flyer points for vacation travel and take the full deduction for the cost of your business trips. What can you write off on taxes with a limited liability company (LLC)? If you have income from an LLC, you are entitled to deduct your expenses like any business. A limited liability company (LLC) can pass all of its profits onto its partners so that the partners, not the LLC, owe all taxes. It's not required to be set up that way, but most are in order to avoid the dreaded double taxation of both the company and its partners. Depending upon how the LLC is structured at the time it is created, the IRS will treat the profits as the income of a corporation, a partnership, or an individual partner. How much can a small business make before paying taxes? You don't owe tax on income under $400 for the year. This is true whether you're selling your old stuff on eBay or running a major corporation. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about hidden tax write-offs for small businesses. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this.